Oh shoot, we got a cat, we got a cat, we got a cat, we got a cat. Oh, it's a big one, I think. Not a catfish. Oh. Okay. Got him. Dang it. Whatever it is, it's really big. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fishing this pond for catfish. Let's see if we can catch a nice one. Alright, this is the pond. There's already a bunch of turtles here, so I expect people have been feeding them and they're used to people. But I've caught some really big catfish. I've caught blue catfish, channel catfish, and yellow bullhead in here. Today I have some cheese sticks and some meat. Nice catfish rig. Let's cast it out. Now we wait. Dude, the freaking turtles are eating my bobber right now. I'm worried I'm gonna catch a turtle. All the turtles are eating my bobber right now. Like, guys, stop. Oh, my rod. Where are they? See if we can get a fish. No, are they? Oh, shoot. Do we have something? I think we have something. Oh, we have something. We have a fish. About to see it. What is it? Oh, it's a nice one. Oh, got a lot of blood. See how heavy she is. She is 2.1 pounds. First catch of the day. Did not take long before we got us a nice cat. Let's go ahead and get her home. It did not take long before we got our first catfish. I got that one on the cheese stick. So we're gonna keep fishing with this and see if we can get some more. I cannot cast this out or else the meat will fly off. So I'm just gonna drop it right here. Ooh, we have a fish. Something big on here. On the pen rod, got a catfish. Oh, it's a big one, I think. Underneath me, underneath the bridge. Ooh, hard head shake. Gotta chase him down, dude. Ooh, it's a nice channel cat. Let's pull him this way. Oh yeah, there he goes. Might be a bullhead actually. I see some yellow. Oh no, can't break my rod. Ooh. Come on, dude. Don't be playing with me like that. Oh, it's a big channel cat. Look, and yes! Oh, frick, almost lost it. That is a big channel cat. Oh, she's fat. Oh, look at that bad baby. Second channel catfish of the day. She is super fat. I caught her on my pen rod. And go. 2.5 pounds. A little bit bigger than the first one. Look at that little cat, dude. Nice, dude. Let's go. Same thing, baby. Same exact spot. Oh my gosh, we have a cat on this rod. No way. Something just picked it up. Dude, we just had a fish on like 2 minutes ago. Here we go. No way. Fish number 3. Ooh. Oh, Penrod is not liking this. Penrod is not liking this trip. See if she's bigger than the first one. Oh, there she goes, there she goes, there she goes. Come on now, girl, come up. Dude, this rod is not made for fish this big, but it is so fun to fight them on it. No, come out. No, she's gonna get tangled in the bridge. Come on now. She's on the other side. I can see her on the other side. Come on now, buddy. Come here. Ooh, bigger, bigger, bigger. This is a 3-pound channel cat. 3-pound channel cat, dude. Ready, set, go. No! Dang it, dude. That was a really nice cat. Here we go now, baby. They've only been biting this Penrod, which is really weird. Like they know this is the weaker of the rods. Been here for 30 minutes. We've caught 3 cats. Or we've caught 2 cats and we've had 3 on the line. Let me cast this thing out. Oh shoot, we got a cat, we got a cat, we got a cat, we got a cat. Oh, I'm just gonna set this thing down. Got a catfish. Oh. Okay. Got him. Drag a bit. It's either a really big cat or a really big turtle. I'm thinking turtle. Oh shoot. Whatever this is, it's massive. Dang it. Whatever it is, it's really big. Oh frick, I gotta set this thing down. I got another fish on. I have 2 fish on at once. I'm just gonna let this guy run so I can reel in that other fish because I know this one's too big to fight right now. Oh dang it, he came off. Oh wait, no he didn't. Still on. Now he came off. Okay, I gotta go fight that rod. There was a fish on that one. It's a turtle. Oh my god, it's a really big turtle. Come on, stop. Oh, it's a big soft shell. It's a big freaking soft shell. Oh, his shell is so soft. It's gonna bite me. Oh my god, you just chomped my line off. Oh, please don't be a turtle. Please don't be a turtle. Please, please do not be a turtle. It's a turtle. I give up. I give up. Like, why? Please break off. Dang it. Good. Second turtle of the day. Let's put her back because I see we have another fish. Here we go. We have 2 fish on at once. It's a turtle. It's a turtle. Okay. Yes, it came off. It came off. It came off. Going for the second fish thing. What is it? Oh, it feels like a something. Another turtle. Oh my god. Yes. And get out of here, boy. Dude. Oh my god, we have another something on. We have another something on. Oh, it was another turtle. We just got 4 turtles at once. Sometimes I wonder if I'm catfish fishing or turtle fishing. Where are you? Ooh, you're over there. That's what you are. Oh, you're big too. You're really big too. Oh, it's a catfish. Let's go. That was a turtle. It is indeed a cat. It's a tiny cat, but still a cat. Third catfish of the day. Little baby channel cat. Let's put her back. Okay, here we go. Gonna cast this one out there. We're gonna leave. Test it out. Okay, we got it. If you don't see this bobber on there, that means that we have a fish on. Really good cast. Really like that one. Fish on! Got her! She's big, she's big, she's a big one. She's a big cat. Big cat, big cat, big cat. She's doing some crazy head shakes right now. Here she comes, she's coming right at us. She's crazy. Come on, big cat, big cat. How big are you, big cat? Ooh, that's some crazy head shakes. Oh, you're not that big, big cat. Yeah, big. Boom, number 4 channel cat. Look at this little guy. Let's go ahead and toss her back. Alright everyone, so that's going to do it for today's video. If you did enjoy, please like and subscribe. If you're wondering why the rods I used in this video were so weak and small, it's because I had last minute notice on this trip, and those were all the rods I had with me. But like I said, if you did enjoy, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. That was amazing, dude. The drag on my pen rod just went. We're gonna cast it in here, the Catfish Lagoon. Yes. And get out of here, boy. Sometimes I wonder if I'm catfish fishing or turtle fishing.